what's up and welcome back. Today we are taking Aiden for a Christmas train ride. Aiden, are you excited?
No.
Okay, until yesterday or until this morning he was super excited and he was like, choo choo, we are going here, we are going there. But now suddenly he realized that we're actually going, so he's like, no, I don't want to go. I know you're gonna be very excited because they're gonna give hot dog in the train. So you're gonna get hot dog, hot chocolate and all this stuff. Anyways, we are ready to leave. We have our booking for 12:30. It's a 1-hour train ride here in Benson. So you will get all the detail once we keep going and I'll show you everything. You wanna wear this? Oh, what happened to your shoe?
That's what I'm gonna ask. What happened to my shoes?
I have no idea. It was in the box, if you remember. Hannah? Or did you wear? I remember you wore it in India.
No, I did not even take them to India. I only wore it, last I wore it was in your birthday.
Oh. Maybe we'll clean it.
I'll clean and keep it.
Yeah. So yeah, we are ready. Let me show you my outfit real quick.
What will be?
Birthday.
You wanna go to the birthday?
No. Yeah.
Alright, this is my outfit. I don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah.
Chocolate.
It's a long shirt with sweater vest, stockings and boots, and I'm super comfortable. And I've never sat in a train here in US, so I don't know what it's gonna be like. I don't know if it's like a normal train like how it's in India. So we'll see today. I don't know what happened. Baby, did you poop? Okay.
He did it in the morning.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so let's load up and head to the station.
Gravel.
So they have like a dedicated parking spot for everybody who's coming here for a train ride. And it's a huge parking lot. That's what we're going. So that's the train. Whoa, Aiden, look! It's nothing like a normal train station in India, what it looks like. But that's the train over there.
I mean, in all fairness, this is a made-up station.
Yeah, this is a made-up station. It's not like a station. Yes, baby.
In the station.
In the station.
It's not.
Yeah, we're gonna get out of the car, check our bags, and I think go get our tickets. Because we already purchased online. You just have to go and get a physical ticket here from you. And that's it.
G-scale's right over here. Take it off.
So it has a lot of entertainment stuff before you board the train. Alright, let me show you. This is like a whole station, play station that they made. Yeah, look, Aiden. It's going. There are so many trains here going. Another one coming. And look at the small one.
Oh, Thomas.
Yeah. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
Wow, the train is here, Aiden. Woo! Do you love it? Yeah. There's a minion on the train. And look at the animals. And there's a gingerbread house, Aiden. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh. Look, another one coming, Aiden.
A big train. Look at it coming.
Look, another one coming. A big one, Aiden. Yeah, it's going, look.
The backyard man.
It's good that we came a little early because there are so many things for the kids to look around here and have fun, so we have the extra time. So he said that you can go and your boarding is 12:15, but you can go and stand in the line early because the train gets full so fast. They'll give you the seats and stuff. So.
Okay, and you have to go to the restroom.
The restroom is also that side. So okay, let's go that side.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
There are all the
Look at that.
yeah, look at all the trains. Like all the parts, I think, engine parts, right?
train.
Oh, this is the NC Railway Museum. Oh, I see. Look. Yeah, baby. And it's a beautiful day today. It's not very hot. It's not very cold. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you so excited today?
Santa.
Yeah, there's Santa over there. So they have like this train where you can go buy gifts, and then you also have like a food truck for hot dogs, and they have restrooms. They have few spots where you can go take pictures, and it's super pretty. They have like the fireplace going on over there, and a little bit of your Christmas tree, so you can go take pictures. It's very pretty. We're just gonna do some time pass until we have our train boarded. I have to carry food on the train, so I'm just gonna quickly order it, and we're gonna take it on the train.
This one, huh?
तुम्हें टिकट
Yeah.
मिल गए?
हाँ,
क्या प्लेटफॉर्म है और कार्बोस वगैरह क्या है आपका?
इतना तो कुछ नहीं होगा, एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म होगा.
ओ मतलब उन्होंने डिफरेंट स्टेशंस बना रखे हैं, उन पे प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर लिख रखा है, तो देखते हैं कुछ है कि नहीं.
Alright, got hot dog for him. Hey, you take a bite. You don't want the mustard? Okay, let me wipe it off. Here, wipe off.
He just ate the mustard, that's why he's not.
Now take a bite together and see if you like it or not.
Take a bite from here with you.
Alright. सीधा करके रखो, मैं बैग में गिरेगा वरना सीधा.
Here,
Alright, now try it.
it's gone.
Baby, hold it and eat it. Yeah. Baby, hold it straight. That's not how you hold a hot dog. Yeah.
Yummy?
He's enjoying the hot dog. Yummy, baby? Good.
What's that? What is that there?
That, I don't know, what is it called? What is that name? I don't know, honestly. It's a very good place to come and have fun with your kids. And honestly, all the tickets were booked out. We barely got this time. There was one available at 9:30, but we got it at 12:30, thankfully. So.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Alright, the train just came to the station. Coming to the station. Whoa, I did? Look! Wow! Look, I did!
He wants to sit up there.
You're okay. I just need to be I'm in the train. So we are here in the train. It's like an open train, so you can get your hands out. It's nice and pretty. The weather is so beautiful, so it's perfect day. Because it's open and it's not freezing, so it's good for us. So we won't freeze. And
Start moving now.
yeah. So let's see. And yeah. Woo. Can you wave at the snowman?
Hello.
Yeah. Whoa. Say bye bye, wave.
You see Crosby?
Yeah.
Say bye bye. Say bye. Wave, wave.
Blow a kiss at him.
There you go.
We have left the station and let's see. I don't know what we are supposed to.
We're just gonna enjoy some nature
Yeah, we're just gonna enjoy
and
some
come
nature.
back to the same station.
And Santa's maybe gonna come and say hi and give us candy gifts. Yeah? Okay, so let's see.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands.
So the fun thing that they do is that they give this paper here with a few names on it, and it's like help Santa find the reindeer, and there are all the names for the reindeer here, and can you also find snowman. and candy canes and all that stuff. So basically all around the track they have placed all these things for you. They give this to the kids and then it's like a scavenger hunt, yeah. So when you see them, just mark it off over here and at the end you give it to Santa, something like that.
How about here?
उधर कर कर
I need a picture. Oh, I can get a hug also?
Oh, he's gonna take a picture. You can take a picture, baby. It's okay.
listen come hold this here.
It's okay, baby.
Want me to stand up?
Yeah, let me take a Hold on. Got it. Thank you.
Well done. High five. Good job. Can you sit down on the lap?
Thank
All right.
you.
Thank you.
Good job, baby. Why were you scared?
He is your friend.
Yeah, he's your friend. Santa brings you all the presents, remember? Wow. He just got a picture with Santa and then he got a candy cane. But he was a little scared to take the picture, but he got it. But I got the picture. Wow. Aiden's first candy cane. He has never eaten a candy cane. This is his first candy cane. Right, Aiden? You wanna try it? Try it. How is it? Lick it. You can lick it. He has never eaten a candy cane. It's his first candy cane. What do you think about it? Alright, we're done with the train ride. Now we are gonna go to Costco. And yeah, probably eat pizza over there, Aiden.
Feels like today is his perfect day as of his birthday.
Yeah, today is like one of his one of the fun days that we are planned for him for his birthday. So today is one of those days. And it was a fun train ride, and then we plan to do it every year, like a tradition for us, our family. Let's go to Costco.
Alright guys, we are back home and we are tag teaming right now. This little guy is playing in there, so that's our tag team time. She is going out handling the shoes and like cleaning up this because Aiden's birthday is coming next week. We gotta clean up the garage, get it ready for his birthday, and I'm responsible for dinner. Yes, baby? Whoa, he's just playing with all his trucks and stuff here. And I am making masoor, brown masoor, and patta gobi aloo, which is cabbage, and some rice, and maybe one fulka or something if I feel like eating it, because we have a little bit of dough from yesterday. So to make the brown masoor, I'm gonna tell you guys, this is a very simple recipe. I'm just gonna boil the dal with the salt in it, and then I'm gonna create a tempering that's made with garlic and onion and whole red chilies. Yes, Aiden can eat that because we take the whole red chilies out. We don't break them so the seeds do not get into the dal. And then I'll just create the tempering and put it in the dal once dal is ready. So it's a really delicious, super quick recipe to make. Alright guys, so my recipe for cabbage is also very simple. I have some cumin, and then I put an asafoetida, that's hing, and then I add some potatoes in there, and then I'm gonna add some salt, turmeric, and Kashmiri red chili, because Aiden is also gonna eat this. So I always add a little bit of Kashmiri. Give it a nice mix. And then I got a packet of green cabbage, purple cabbage, and carrots mixed, and we are gonna add this. So dinner is ready and Tanya is just running an errand. I have a colleague coming tomorrow who's gonna have breakfast at our place, and you know, house is a mess, which is okay because he knows that we are in between the houses. We are kind of moving and stuff like that. So yeah, she's just getting some stuff and I'm just prepping last little details like salads and stuff. So as soon as I'm starting to heat up the food, and as soon as she'll be back, we will have dinner.
Alright, we are done with dinner, and then Mayank is tackling Aiden's play area over there because it's a really big mess. So he's cleaning up a little bit and then also removing the toys that are broken. And I am taking Aiden's diaper upstairs. I'm gonna go do his laundry, and I think that's what we are gonna do right now, and then we'll see what to do next. Yeah, let's go. All right, I'm done putting some of the curtains for wash that I'm not gonna carry with me. I'm just gonna carry one of them, and then I'm gonna give away the other ones. I'm gonna go give Aiden a bath now, and then probably we'll go to sleep because we're so tired from the day. Come on, let's open your clothes. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, Aiden, what do we say? Say bye. Look here, say bye-bye. Aiden. Uh-oh. Alright, bye.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays.